guys, I'm Amy, and you've landed on Belle Loves Bargains. That's my cow Effingham, and sometimes he co-hosts with me. He's got a lot to say. This channel is Dollar Tree, and only Dollar Tree. And why? Because everything at the Dollar Tree is $1.25, people. So stick around, consider subscribing, and don't forget to give me that big thumbs up. And if you want to know more about the 4 uploads I do every week, just check out the description box for more information. Enjoy! Maybe the sky is falling down around the babies. Maybe the world is gonna spin out of control. I don't care anymore. What if I quit today working for the man and said I've had enough? Well, maybe I can, 'cause it's all gonna end anyway. Tell me, doctor, what's a cure for this wicked man's blues? Fly, dragonfly, fly, dragonfly, fly, dragonfly. Okay. Hi, guys. Welcome to Belle's Bargains. Okay, you've never heard that song, I'm sure of it, because it's by Shaman Harvest. I don't even know what year it was recorded. Actually really like it. It's very bluesy, rocky. But I had to look up a song about a dragonfly. Fly, dragonfly. Anyway. Okay, well, I know. Really? Effingham is telling me a story about a dragonfly landing on his nose one time, but not since he's lived in my kitchen. No, because I don't let dragonflies in. Anyway, okay. Listen, today is, first of all, welcome to Belle's Bargains. My name is Amy. You've landed on a Dollar Tree channel. And today, this is a really short video because I already have a video coming out today for a challenge. And this is the second challenge that I was doing. But I'm going to tell you the absolute truth. I was out cleaning out my garage. I saw this in my head because I was organizing my craft stuff, which crafters have to do like every other day. Anyway, and I was like, okay, yeah, I have to do this. So this is a challenge by DIY with Aria. I love Aria, and actually Lowly D's Creations. Also, both excellent channels. I will list their channels down below. And this is the, whoopsie, I don't know what happened there. This is the boom. This is the WWW, Wood Round or Wreath Wednesday. And it's gonna be the 4th Wednesday of every month. So this is I think this is the first one. I think I'm getting in on the first one, I'm not sure. Anyway. Okay, so before I show you what I did, can you guess what it is based on my song? I was out, like I said, I'm cleaning out my garage, and I will show you when I'm done, Effingham, I promise. My cow, my goodness. So I was cleaning it out, and like I have things separated in categories, right? So I have a great big tote that says wreaths, and it's all my wreath forms in there. But you know the great big ones that are the, that are for, I think they're like the infinity ribbon, and then they say love. Actually, literally love is written in the wreath, and it's like a crazy 8 with love in it. Do you know which ones I'm talking about? They're really big. Well, I bought them a long time ago. I bought like 4 of them or whatever, because I was gonna make them look like fishies. I never got to that. But as I'm cleaning out my wreath thing, suddenly I looked at them and I'm like, oh my gosh, I see this now. So I made this for you. So this is a very short video. I could probably release this as a short, but we're on the challenge. Okay, ready? Wait, what is this? It is a dragonfly. Now, I'm gonna hang it on my front porch and show it to you. I haven't yet because I was so late doing this. It's still drying back here. So I'm like, I can't hang it quite yet. Anyway, I'm gonna hang it on my front porch and show it to you. But you guys, this is so, do you not love it? I need to bend my feathers, my wings up a little bit more. Like I keep messing with it and like, yeah, but anyway. Okay, so, but let's talk about this because this is wreaths. This is perfect for the Wreath Wednesday. These are 2 wreaths that are the infinity with love in them. This is a wreath of beads, and this is a wreath charm. And then I made the antenna out of one of the words of love. Ready? Let me show you how I made this. There's my supplies. So the wood bead wreath and the 2 other wreaths and my wreath charm. So I need to paint this. So let's go the easy route. So gallon size Ziploc baggie. Throw some just straight acrylic paint in there. And then I just sort of rub it around an area and then I twist it. Then I rub it and twist it. You guys, this works amazing, by the way. And then I took it out and I stuck it out in my garage and hung it up with a fan on it, and yeah, it worked pretty beautiful. So I'm gonna do the same thing to this, and then I was like, oops, got stuff on the back. And this doesn't work. I mean, it does basically cover it, but then I do go back over it with a top coat on the back side of this. So the printed side I didn't use, I used the back side. All right, now I'm just cutting off the words love. Pretty simple to do. And now I've got these two, crazy eights with a little section missing, but that's okay. So you have to flip them over. So you're doing the top side of the wreath to the top side of the wreath, because otherwise your wings won't show, the second wing won't show correctly. So you put your wreaths top to top. And then I just zip tied in the same spots on right smack dab in the middle, and then where the partial wing meets the full wing. It's you guys can see what I'm doing there, right? So it's right at that joint. So that, I mean, and this works beautifully, and I had black zip ties, so of course it's all fine. I just cut off the ends on it. And then I zip tied a second time just to anchor that, so that wouldn't slip there on that second little wing. Now, all I did with these is just bend in and up, because I don't need them sticking into the wings, and I'm not going to like cut them out of there. It just sort of added a little more oomph to the body area, I guess is how I would say it. So I just zip tied those down. So fold it in, zip tie it down. And of course, it just helps secure your two wreaths together also. But the zip ties are working perfectly. So cut off all the ends on my zip ties. Super easy. Flip it back over to the front. And now I'm just putting pressure in the center and bending those wings up, because I don't want them flat. I want them sort of fluttering, right? So now this is all dry. Did you see that? I just squeezed it at the top to give us a dragonfly tail, and it totally looks, or body, right? Doesn't it? I think it's pretty cool. And I'm going to go right smack dab in the center, and I'm going to zip tie the dragonfly body on there, and then we're going to zip tie it right there at the joints also, just to make sure it's all connected fine. Now here's our head, but at this point, I haven't put the antennas on yet. So I zip tied the head on top at first. I do go back and zip tie it underneath. I actually, in the end, I'm not sure it makes much of a difference. But okay, so now I'm straightening out one of the love words that we took off there. I'm like, might as well use that wire. It's good heavy duty wire to make our little antennas. And so, oops, sorry about that. I'm just straightening it out. And then I end up, these are actually two pieces of wire that are soldered together at one point. And so I break it at the solder, and that gives me a piece that's long enough. Now here's the thing, you guys, bottle brush, whatever, those things, you know what I'm talking about. Those would work great for antennas. I just wanted to make it with the wire so that it was really sturdy for outside. So the one end of this wire, as you can see right down there in the corner of this frame right now, sorry, the wire already had a little curly Q on it, so I just took the other end and did a little curly Q, and now I'm just finding the center point, and I'm going to V it. I'm going to V that wire up so that, sorry, I'm kind of out of frame. It was heavy duty wire, so I was really having to use my strength to manipulate it. And then I take a popsicle stick, and I'm just going to stick some of the cement glue here, and then the popsicle stick over it and clamp it. And that was it. And then this baby is done. And I think it's so cute. I really think it's cute. And it's all wreath stuff. No glue. I could have used like a hammerhead thing here, but I had to cement on the antennas. But other than that, like, this is all zip ties. And it's gonna look so good on my, well, no, by now I've put a picture of it on my front porch. I'm talking about it, haven't done it yet, but I've already inserted that photo. You know what? I think making videos is like time warp. Anyway, so, right? So cool. And everything on my front porch is black accent. I've done it all like all the decor out there is black accents. Okay. So anyway, thanks again to Arya and Loli for this fun challenge. I'm going to get into this one because I'm going to use up all of my wreath forms doing this the fourth Wednesday of every month. And I learned a new song, Fly, Dragon, Fly. Ooh. Okay, so thanks for the challenge, guys. Everybody, have a great day, great week, and great life. That's all you get. You get one craft today, but it was pretty big and it was cool. All right, Effingham, say goodbye to the besties. I know, you did not, don't worry, and tomorrow, watch for it, there's a Thursday video. Okay, so everybody, have a great day, great week, and great life, and as always, from your singing crafty crafter, fly, dragon, fly, right out of my DT store. All right, everybody, I'll see you next time here on Bella's Bargains, and did I say have a great day, great week, and great life? And from your singing crafty crafter, happy hunting at your local Dollar Tree. Thanks for watching, besties. Now go to the playlist, watch everybody else. Make sure you tell them that Amy from Bella's Bargains sent you, and definitely check out Aria and Lily D's. All right, see you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.